Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is AbsolutelySha. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, you are going to see me do another lip gloss making video. I am making one of our newest lip glosses that is available on lipmaven.com. This particular gloss is called Halo. So if you enjoy just the soothing and relaxing feel that watching lip gloss videos give you, then stick around and watch me make my newest lip gloss, Halo. Alright guys, so you pretty much see me adding the Versagel and I'm adding my oil fusion that I use from TKB. And I also like to add in coconut oil as well. Alright, so once I have it to the consistency that I like, I'm going to add in my mica pigment right now. This color is so beautiful. I'm not even going to speed it up because I want you all to really see how beautiful this pigment is. So it's more so, if I could describe it, it's more like a white gold. It's so pretty. So right now you see me adding in the mica pigment into my lip gloss base, and I like to just give it a really good thorough stir to make sure that the mica pigment is like evenly spreaded throughout the lip gloss base. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now in this clip, is that I've put in my mica pigment and I'm just like making sure that I stir it in very well with the lip gloss base. I did get this mica pigment, I'm not even sure, I want to say TKB, but maybe not, I'm not sure. I would have to look and see where exactly I purchased it from, but it's absolutely beautiful. So when you put it in your glow, I'm not even going to tell you, you're going to see the final results at the end, but this is such a beautiful mica pigment. All right, and then this is a quick look at how beautiful it looks once you put it in the syringe. Oh my God, gorgeous. All right, so right now I am filling up the squeeze tube. So what you see me now filling in is my sample size squeeze tube. So if you didn't want to commit to a full 10 ml size squeeze tubes, I do have sample squeeze tubes available for this lip gloss Halo. So you are more than welcome to go head over to lipmaven.com and purchase you a sample size of the lip gloss Halo. So this lip gloss also, by the way, is unscented, so I didn't add any scents to this one. So if you have any kind of sensitivities or allergies, of course, read the list of ingredients that I have listed on the website for this lip gloss. But yeah, it's an unscented lip gloss and it's so beautiful. So right now I'm filling up the sample size squeeze tubes that's available at lipmaven.com. Alright, so right now you see me filling in the clear wand tubes. Oh my gosh, these wand tubes are so beautiful, but they gave me trouble. As you can see, I'm filling in the wand tubes, but that's way too much that I put in there. Because yeah, when I went to go put the caps on, I ran into so much trouble. I absolutely love the clear wand tubes. If you don't know what I mean, I'm pretty sure at the end of this I'll probably show you a final product. I don't know, because I know I struggled with this, but it's where the cap is also clear. So it literally just looks like the whole wand tube is just clear. Very beautiful. The final product comes out very beautiful, but I really struggled with this. I didn't realize that you really can't put in that much product with the clear wand lip gloss tubes. But yeah, it looks beautiful though. Alright, so you are seeing me show you the final products. These are the sample sizes. This is what they look like in the sample size squeeze tubes. I think they came out absolutely beautiful. So those are a few of the sample sizes that I have available. Again, this lip gloss is called Halo and it is unscented, and this is what it looks like in the wand. So this is what it looks like in the clear wand tubes. So beautiful. Do you see that gold shimmer? That's exactly what I was trying to tell you guys on how beautiful it turned out. So these are definitely available on my website right now. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.